How to add music to Instagram Notes. First of all, head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and head over to this app. Right here, you need to make sure that your application Instagram is updated to the latest version. Once the application is updated, you can go back and head over to your Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe left and move into your chat feed. At the top left corner, you'll get to see the section where you can add your notes. Tap on this plus icon. Right here, you'll get to see a little music icon. Tap on it. Tons of different music will be visible to you. And right here, you can also search for the song that you want to add. Let me just search for one random song. Let's say I want to add this song to my Instagram notes. Just tap on the song. From here, you can select whichever part of the song that you want to add. Let me choose this part for now. Once you are done, tap on this icon. Along with the music, you can also share your thoughts. Let me just write a random thing. Once it is done, tap on share at the top right corner. There you can see that the music has been successfully added to your notes. Likewise, you can add any of the song that you want on notes. So this is the end of the video, and this was a tutorial video on how to add songs to Instagram notes. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it in the end.